Let's be honest for a second. Most guys see a very beautiful girl and instantly think one thing: she's way out of my league. So they either don't try, or they assume she only notices the most handsome, richest, or most popular guys in the room. But here's something most people don't realize. Very attractive women notice presence before they notice words. And sometimes, an average guy can grab her attention without even saying a single sentence, simply by the way he carries himself. Let's talk about how that actually happens in real life. First thing, how you present yourself. You don't need model-level looks, but you cannot look careless. A lot of average guys lose before the game even starts because their grooming is weak. Clean haircut, clothes that actually fit your body, good posture, calm body language. That alone already puts you ahead of half the guys in the room. Because the truth is, most men don't even try to look sharp. Imagine two average guys walking into the same place. One looks slightly messy, slouched shoulders, constantly checking his phone. The other stands straight, walks slowly, looks relaxed, and dresses clean. Same looks, completely different impression. And guess which one people notice more? Second thing, don't chase attention. This is where most guys make the biggest mistake. The moment they see a beautiful girl, they start acting nervous, staring too much, trying too hard to look cool. And ironically, that immediately lowers their value. Attractive women are used to guys chasing their attention, but the guy who looks calm, focused on his own thing, and not desperate for validation, stands out instantly. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you're in a cafe. There's a group of guys talking loudly, trying to show off, laughing extra hard, constantly looking around to see who's watching them. And then there's one guy sitting with his friend, speaking calmly, occasionally smiling, completely comfortable with himself. You'd be surprised how often the second guy gets noticed more, because confidence that doesn't try too hard feels real. Third thing, eye contact. This is a small detail, but it's extremely powerful. If your eyes meet for a second, don't immediately look away like you got caught doing something wrong. Hold eye contact for a moment, give a slight relaxed smile, and then continue what you were doing. No pressure, no staring contest, just calm confidence. Most guys fail here because they either stare awkwardly or instantly panic and look down. But controlled eye contact communicates something very simple. I'm comfortable, and comfort is attractive. Now, here's the truth most people won't tell you. Attraction doesn't always start with words. Sometimes, it starts with how you carry your energy in a room, your posture, your calmness, your grooming, the way you move, the way you react. Those small details can make an average guy appear far more attractive than someone who technically looks better, but lacks presence. And the interesting part? You don't need to change your entire personality. You just need to stop doing the things that make you look insecure and start doing the small things that signal confidence. So the next time you see a girl you think is way out of your league, remember this: she doesn't know your salary. She doesn't know your achievement. She only sees what you show in that moment. Your presence, your confidence, your energy. And sometimes that's enough to get noticed. Now, if you want to actually master talking to girls from the first hello to a confident conversation, I've created a complete step-by-step playlist for you. It's like a mini course that shows you exactly what to say, how to say it, and how to avoid the awkward mistakes most guys make. Click on this playlist and start from video 1 by the end. Talking to girls will feel natural. Click here. I'll see you there. Don't forget to subscribe.